Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to download, install, and set up a VPN app called CREEB Tunnel VPN, which is available on the Google Play Store. This app can help you enjoy a stable and secure internet connection while browsing online. Before we begin, if you're new here, make sure to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment if you have any questions. That way, you won't miss any of our future tutorials. Step 1. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, type CREEB Tunnel VPN. From the search results, look carefully at the app name and icon to make sure you select the correct one. Tap on it, then click Install. After installation is complete, tap Open to launch the app. Step 2. Once you reach the home screen of the app, tap the three dots at the top. From the options shown, select Config Update. This updates the app's resources so you can get the best performance while using it. Step 3. Next, you'll need to select a server. For the best experience, I recommend leaving the option set to best server performance, so the app automatically selects the most reliable server for your location. Step 4. Tap on the network name box. In the search bar, type UDP. If your country supports UDP, select it. If not, choose your country's network name from the available list. For this tutorial, I'll select UDP Hysteria, which can work across many countries. Step 5. Finally, tap the Connect button. Within a few moments, the VPN will connect successfully, giving you a more stable and secure internet connection. And that's it. That's how you set up CREEB Tunnel VPN on your device. Thank you for watching today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss future videos. See you next time.